Baba, chin. Yeah.
Okay. First question kaya naman. Question.
Pinoy.
Sorry.
Sorry. Okay, may chance yun ng ating international. Music, please.
Brett.
Beat it is correct. You have 1 point, international housemate. Sing it.
Beat it. No one wants to be defeated.
Yo, beat it. Beat it.
Show it's your fight. It's a
Sorry. Mali.
Tama sana kaya lang ginawang remix ni Ryan. Beat it.
Ang dami mong dinadagan. Showing how funky and strong is your fight. Medyo gumulo ng konti. Okay.
That's okay. You have 1 point, alright?
Okay. Team Pinoy, habol. Kaya naman. Question.
Last press.
paparazzi.
Paparazzi!
Paparazzi!
You have another point. It's international. Sing it.
Linawin niyo katago.
I'm your biggest fan of you until you love me. Paparazzi.
Okay. Ikaw nakakagulo ka lang eh. Ikaw nakakagulo lang pag pinatalo dahil sa'yo ah. Yeah.
Alam mo Ryan ba? Pero magaling si Brett. At dahil dyan may 2 points sa'yo.
Ang talks about maybe there's no other superstar.
So 2-0. Alright, kamay sa ilalim ng baba.
And, question?
Brett!
And I got a feeling.
Yeah,
I got a feeling.
I've got a feeling.
I was singing it.
Ang sagot ng ating, kasi sinabi niya is tonight. Una niya sinabi is tonight.
Tonight's gonna be a good night.
Yun ang habol mo. So, Ryan, anong final answer ng team nyo? Tonight's gonna be a good night.
So I've got a feeling.
Nabago. Ano yung final answer ay?
Got a feeling. I've got a feeling. Tonight's gonna be. I got.
Ano ba talaga sagot mo?
I got a feeling now.
Okay, wrong na kayo, wrong. Mali. At dahil dyan, bibigyan natin ng chance ang mga Pinoy housemates. We love you, we love.
Sorry. Okay, para sa Team Pinoy, music please.
I got a feeling. Oh my gosh, you got a feeling!
It's correct! Okay, 1 point Team Pinoy. Team Pinoy,
Sing it!
okay. Team Pinoy, 1 point! Okay, 2 points na, 2 all na.
2 all na.
Pero kabilis na habol lang kayo.
2 all. You gotta do it. Ryan.
Okay, kamay sa lalim ng baba. Team Pinoy. Okay, question.
Open arms.
Nahabol. Open arms. 1 point, Team Pinoy. Okay, Team Pinoy, sing it.
So now I come to you with open arms. Open arms. Nothing to hide. Believe what I say.
Nalamangan na kayo. Anong sasabihin sa nila? 3-2 na. Ryan.
Okay, we're bread. Oh.
Okay. Kamay sa lalim ng baba. Ryan? Okay. Question.
Pinoy? Ay, oh, so sorry, Pinoy. Oh, may chance ang ating international. Music!
Come on, yo.
Naubusan ng oras, naubusan ng araw. Tama sagot ay the Apple Song or balita. Okay. Sayang. Okay, kamay sa ilalim ng baba. And, Team Pinoy, kamay sa ilalim ng baba. Okay, question.
The end. What did you say? What did you say? Kawata.
In the end.
In the end! Nahabol si Ivan!
In the end, 1 point Team Pinoy. Okay, kung nakanta nito, kayo na maglalaro, okay? Oh, Team Pinoy, music please. Oh, mapagpapalala na ko lang yung simula. Team Pinoy, without music.
And stick ni Tito Edwin, no?
Oh, without music.
Go, guys, you can do it.
Oh, you're so
Oh,
sweet.
sweet naman.
Ang sweet ni Ryan, Ryan.
Sorry. Kumakanta na yung tao eh.
Kumakanta ba?
Oh, okay, ulit, go.
Tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter.
I had to fall to lose it all. Ang tamang sagot. Okay, pero 1 point na rin yun. Team Pinoy.
It was... my gosh. Winner. Okay. 4 points, 2 points. Alright, next song tayo.
Okay, sa pang tamang sagot, yun na maglalaro. Okay, question. Ano ba naman yan?
Kaya namatay si Michael Jackson kasi hindi niya alam yung kantan to.
Oh, ano ang tamang sagot?
Heal the world!
Oh my God! Ano ba naman yan?
Lahat ngayon.
I'm so disappointed in you guys.
Ang affected?
Hindi na, nakakalungkot
Hindi mo na kaya, hindi mo na kaya. Hindi mo na walk out, hindi mo na,
Hindi na,
parang
tapos na, kamay sa
parang
baba.
just never show your face again.
Kamay sa
Parang
baba.
that.
Hindi. Okay. Hindi, okay? Ryan, kamay sa baba. James?
James sa baba,
Ivan?
hindi sa kilit.
Guys! Hindi, baka gusto niya check kung may, okay, alam niya. Chrissy?
I like that ang next time, kamay sa kilikili. Okay.
And, question? Nahabol ba yun? Wala, sorry. Hindi
Ayaw na
mabot.
ni Cecil.
Ano dapat ang sagot niyo? Ano dapat sagot niyo?
Unfaithful is wrong.
My Immortal.
My
My
immortal.
Immortal sana.
Tama sana. It's okay, Brett. It's okay.
Okay.
Kamay sa kilikili.
Nang katabi? Okay, kamay sa ng baba. And, question?
Just dance, correct! Congratulations sa ating pinahapit. Thank you, Kevin and Ivan. Thank you so much, Ryan, Brad, and of course, Jay.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Up next, Cash Motor sa Angeles, Pampanga sa pagbabalik ng